Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful day in which to excel. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. I am back with another car review. Today's in-depth review, I'm happy to present to you this 2020 Lexus NX300 F Sport. And today, this will be a full in-depth tour of the Lexus NX300. I'm going to start the engine as well as pop the hood and show underneath the engine bay. And I will show you how everything works inside the car, including the headlights and hazard lights throughout the documentary. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in. We'll start the engine and let it run. Here goes the key fob. Got the Lexus logo on the back. This vehicle does have a smart key access system. Keep the key fob in your pocket. As you can see, the vehicle is a lock of the door. Tap the button to lock it, and the mirrors will fold open. As you can see, the mirrors move automatically. And then after wait a second, put your head behind the door handle. And it unlocks the vehicle. The color of the exterior is white pearl. With brown leather interior. Power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. This vehicle does have push-button ignition. All to do is just keep the key fob in the vehicle, and then put your foot on the brake and hit the button to start the engine. Nice. It's got a 3-spoke rubber valve steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. Okay, coming to the transmission, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. And for reverse, a backup camera does appear on the screen when you put the vehicle into reverse. The parking brake is electronic. Alright, let's turn on the hazards. $2,600 miles. And we'll turn on the headlights. The headlights are automatic, and we'll turn on the fog lights. Driver's window is automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? LED headlights. Lexus. Is your exhaust? Fuel cap release, and it's lockable. Here's your Michelin tires. No, Grand Trek tires. They were alloy wheels. Okay. Power windows, power locks, lock with a switch, power mirrors. This car was made in September of 2019. So this is an early 2020. The seat position is down here. I also do have a manual tilt wheel, which is not telescopic. All right, let's pop the hood. Under the hood, you will find it's a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Here's your battery, your oil, and your washer fluid. It's a turbocharged engine. Very nice. All right, so let's go ahead and see how she revs. Over here, you have your tachometer, your fuel gauge, your speedometer, and your temperature gauge and your fuel gauge. This is the gauge cluster, easy to read gauges. Paddle shifters on the back of the wheel. Bolstering sections off to the side. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM/FM radio with Sirius XM radio. Okay, dual zone automatic climate control, analog clock, your fan speed, your temperature, different zones, front defrost, rear defrost, auto recycling. This is the CD player. You can go to Seek Track, Radio, Media. You can go to Sport mode and Eco mode, which is pretty cool. Traction control off button. And you also do have your multimedia interface. It's selected by this computer thing here. It's pretty simple. You can go to audio. You can also go to Bluetooth, iHeartRadio, USB. That's pretty cool. And you can go to mobile apps. You can go to protection too. You can go to info setup. You can go to climate. That's so cool. I never seen that in a while in a vehicle. You can go to setup. And then you can also go to info as well. And that's it. I like it. Cup holders, storage, and you also do have a USB, two USBs, and an auxiliary input. One-touch automatic sunroof. Auto dimming with a mirror, and you also do have your OnStar. What else? And you also do have your interior illumination lighting. Nice. Okay, to the steering wheel, you do have your volume controls on the wheel. And voice command, Bluetooth telephone controls. You can control. This is the menu screen. You can control this on the driver info system. Sorry for the glare. Sorry about the sun glare blocking the dash. Sorry about that. And brightness instrument cluster. I think this is for the rear fog lights, I think. Trunk release. More storage down here as well. Oh, you can control it down here. Sorry about that, my bad. What can I say? The interior of the Lexus vehicle is very, very nice. Alright, and let's go and shut down the NX300 F Sport. Don't forget to grab the key fob. And let's check out the back seat, shall we? Windows. You can fold down the rear seats too. Do my pockets, rear air vents, cup holders, and an armrest. I love this interior of the Lexus NX300. Looks like a brand new vehicle. Alright, now let's check out the trunk. I think this is to fold down the rear seats. I'm not too sure. Another power outlet down here too. That's a lot of storage. I think this is to fold down the rear seats. Wow, very nice. There we go. Power passenger seats. Good size glove box. And over here, this is the owner's manual. It tells you about the information of the vehicle. Well guys, that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. My full in-depth tour and walk-around look at this 2020 Lexus NX300 F Sport. Please don't forget to leave a like down below because it certainly helps the videos out. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider doing that too. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming content. This is Angel's Car Reviews, signing off. Please take care and goodbye.